Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this in 2025 and your Instagram feed is stuck, refusing to refresh, don't worry. We've got you covered. This is a super common issue, but it's usually easy to fix with a few simple steps. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, so you can get back to scrolling through your favorite posts in no time. First things first, let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Sometimes, a weak Wi-Fi signal or mobile data issue is the culprit. Open another app that requires internet, like your browser, and see if it loads properly. If not, restart your router or switch to a different network. Next, try force closing and reopening the Instagram app. On Android, swipe up from the bottom and close the app. On iOS, double-click the home button or swipe up to access the app switcher. This often clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, restart your entire device. A quick reboot can resolve many software bugs. Now, let's dive into app-specific fixes. Go to your device's settings, find the Apps or Applications section, select Instagram, and clear the cache and data. This removes any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Remember, clearing data will log you out, so you'll need to sign back in. Don't forget to update Instagram. Head to your App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, and check for updates. Using an outdated version can lead to compatibility issues, especially with the latest 2025 features. If you're still facing troubles, try logging out of Instagram and logging back in. Go to your profile, tap the menu, and select Log Out. Then, reopen the app and sign in again. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication errors. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you have a fresh install without any lingering problems. Before you do that, check Instagram's official status page or social media for any server outages, as the issue might not be on your end. There you have it. Simple steps to get your feed refreshing again. If these tips helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.